Hey guys, and today we're gonna make another Minecraft video. And today I am going to be showing you how to make a really cool ghost in Minecraft, which shapes like a creeper and it looks like a soul of a creeper. That's why it's kind of creepy. So yeah, should we start with this? I don't want to do this near the pool, so just in case someone wants to swim here, they're gonna be like, never mind, there's a ghost here. Yeah, that would be okay. Oh, I almost destroyed the command block. Guys, imagine if I did destroy it. Guys, look at how it looks like when it... That is so cool. So let's build it right here where that thing is. So, all you need is some glass, a creeper. If you're in survival, just summon one, like /summon creeper, and then, or you can just lure one near you, and then potion of invisibility. Now make a little diamond with the glass 2 blocks high, and you'll get something like this. Looks like a cross, but with a hole in the middle. Then after that, spawn a creeper just right like that. And you will see, of course, there's a creeper in there. Hello. Okay. Now, all you have to do, this is the hardest part. Your creeper can die here, so make sure, but you should still do this. /summon lightning bolt. Oops. Ugh. Oh no. Lightning underscore bolt. And then after you do that, press
Object successfully summoned.
and boom, you'll get a charged creeper. This is one of the hidden mobs in Minecraft. So yeah. And then after that, get splash potion of invisibility. You should go so far. Oh no, wrong place. And then boom, you have your creeper ghost right there. Oh my, look at it guys. It is a creeper ghost. Look at this guys. You can see its texture, its legs are right there. And he is the actual creeper. You can push him into a hole. No, doesn't want to. And that's how you can make a ghost. But then the problem is, if they see a ocelot or any type of cat near them, look what will happen, guys. Look what will happen. It will run away. It's scared of the cat, guys. It is scared of the cat. Look at it. The cat is so adorable. I like cats because their detail is so nice. And to tame them, all you need is raw fish. So this video is gonna be a little too short. Oh, I got this one. This is the one I really like. Come on, let's go in the house. Oh great, they don't follow you majorly. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey. Oh great, I really need a lead light. Is it... Guys, please tell me, is it lead or lead? Come on, let's go. And there is the creeper, guys. Let's lure it near him. Look, guys, even if it's this type of cat, we'll scare the creeper away. Ooh, an egg. Cross through the water. Okay, good. Okay, I can put this. Come on, let's go to the front door. And ooh, a chicken. Wait, ocelots hate chickens. I mean, cats hate chickens. No, don't even think about it. Actually, cats hate chickens. Oh, the chicken is scared of the cat. Now bring it in. Come on. Lock that so the cat won't get out and you're done. At least. Okay. Thank you guys. How did you immediately... How do you sit on chest? Oh. Okay, guys. Thank you. Oh, wait, what's happening? Oh my god. Okay, guys. See you in our next video. Oh, yes, anyway. See you in our next video. Say bye. Oh, that was so adorable. Okay, bye, guys.